What's good, y'all? It's your boy Bino here. Why is the camera shaking? Today I got another box for you guys. I'm about to open it right now and see what we got, and we'll go from there. Also, and I ain't gonna say nothing about it, y'all know the drill. Like, share, comment, subscribe, all that stuff. If you are new to the channel, hit that notification bell, etc, etc. But let's open this real quick. Ooh, what we got here? Okay, Nike box, as y'all can see. Wait, this shit has 2 holes in the back. In the box, yo. Let's look inside the box real quick. Okay, you got the Panda Dunks, as y'all can see, and of course it comes with this. And yeah, we got the Panda Dunks. Oh, that's no good. But here's the Panda Dunks for y'all. As y'all can see, it looks amazing. It looks good from side to side, but the toe box, the problem with the toe box, look right here, y'all. The toe box is all messed up, man. It's like, it's supposed to be down here. Like, you're supposed to bring this whole part right here, shift it a little bit down. But instead, they wanted to cover up this part. The gifters, if y'all are listening, look at the actual image when you're doing so. So look carefully, right? Bring the air holes down to like right here where you see these 2 parts, these 2 holes right here at the front. The first part of it, bring it down here, so that way it can be equal. But it's okay. Like the outside of the shoe itself, the tumble leather looks amazing. The stitching the stitching itself looks really good. The only thing I can say about the flaw was just the toe box. Like, kind of reminds me of, you know, the Stingwater Dunks toe box, which looks like this a little bit, but not a lot more. I feel like they could have bring this down. Like I said again, gifters, if y'all are watching this if y'all are watching this video, make sure to shift this down, or I don't know, if y'all can send me a backup, I'll be fine. But everything looks okay with the shoe, but it's just only this that's the problem. This is the problem right here. This is the only problem. But yeah, I don't know how y'all feel about this shoe. Now, since I've seen these shoes, I'll probably give it like a 5 out of 10 because the air holes is just getting me real. Y'all gotta fix this. Y'all gotta fix this, man. But let me see, man. For real, y'all gotta fix this pair. All right. But other than that, why don't we get to this OnFoot review and we'll go from there.